Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to log out from your Sweatcoin account. So this is a sign out guide. So first we're going to go to the Sweatcoin app, and when you click on your profile icon, then on settings, once you scroll, as you can see, there is no any logout option or sign out option. So the only method is to uninstall the app from your phone. Then when you want to sign in again, you're going to have to download it. So the only method is by deleting it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I'll see you again. Goodbye.